What can we do? I go to the park. Come on, fantastic.
Hi, Paula and Marta.
Hello.
Can we play volleyball?
Okay. Great.
The match is over. I go home, and you?
Yes, bye-bye.
Bye.
Do you want playing volleyball?
Yes, brilliant.
I'm very tired.
Yes, it's true.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
What?
And I have lunch in the kids bar. Oh, okay.
And do you want to have lunch in the kids bar?
Yes, fantastic.
Please, 4 fruit smoothing. Okay. Oh, sorry.
And please, four shoes.
But no more fruit smoothie.
Oh, okay. And please, four juice of tropical fruit, please.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's delicious. I love tropical fruit. Yes, it's true. Bye bye. Hello. Bye. And what's can we do?
It's football.
No.
I have an idea.
What?
I play ball. I play bowling.
Yes, very good.
Yes, fantastic. Let's go. He's very happy.
Hey, Natalia. Come we play. Come we bowling.
It's Natalia. It's Natalia. I can we play?
Yes, let's play.
And me.
Yes, of course. It's cool.
Okay.
Nico, Rob, and Hannah are playing football.
Helen, please go.
Yes.
Jack is doing homeworks.
I hate the homework.
Need help, Jack?
Yes, thank you, Nico.
Finish. Nico, Rob, Helen, and Jack are playing football.
Helen, please go. Rob.
Goal! I'm bored. What can we do?
Let's play football.
Okay. I hate playing football. Let's go to the park.
Yes, fantastic.
Let's go to play basketball.
There's Jack and Paul. He's playing basketball.
Hey, Jack, I can wait till you play.
Yes.
Great.
Fantastic.
I'm home. Bye.
I'm bored. What can we do? Let's go rollerblading. I hate rollerblading. Let's go to the park. Yes, fantastic. Come on, Hannah. Do you want to lie? Yes, brilliant. Hello, Helen. Hello, I'm Helen. I'm playing Jenny's team. Yes, fantastic. Let's go. It's ready. No, I hate horror films. Let's see your presents, Ari.
Okay. The first present is
A digital camera.
thank you. The second present is
A mountain bike.
wow. The third present is
Five tickets for the football stadium.
wow. And the last present is
A pet. A dog.
this dog is brilliant. This is very beautiful. Bye bye.
Bye.
Look, there's Aya.
Hello, what are you doing?
I'm bored and I don't know what to do.
Come with us.
Why don't we go to the park?
Okay.
Look, there's Sammy and Rachel.
Hi. What are you playing?
I'm playing soccer. We're playing soccer. Do you want to play?
Yes, of course.
Great.
Let's go.
1, 2, 3, go!
Hello, Ricardo. Hello, Arnau. Can you go to the beach on Saturday afternoon? I think so. Mom, Dad, can I go to the beach with Arnau now on Monday?
Oh, yes.
Yes, but I'm your sister.
Yes, I go to the beach with your friends.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Bye.
I'm bored. What can we do?
Let's go playing tennis.
I don't like playing tennis. Let's go to the Olympic Stadium.
Yes, fantastic. This is Eric and Juan. This is playing football.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello.